Certainly. To install a remote probe for PRTG, follow these steps. Meet their requirements. Ensure that the target system runs on at least Windows 7. Confirm that the target system is accessible via Remote Procedure Call (RPC). If not, start the RPC service on the target system. Allow programs to communicate through your Windows firewall by marking the checkbox for Remote Service Management and Public in the corresponding line. Make sure a connection to your PRTG core server from the outside can be established. Typically, this involves allowing access via TCP port 23560 and enabling dynamic ports from the high port range for 915 to 65535 for outgoing connections. 1. Prepare the PRTG core server. Log into the PRTG web interface on the system where you want to install the remote probe. Download the remote probe installer. From main menu bar, select Setup greater than optional downloads greater than remote probe installer. Click at remote probe to start the installation assistant to install the new remote probe. Follow prompts in the installation wizard to complete the setup. Once installed, the new remote probe will extend your monitoring capabilities by allowing you to keep an eye on different subnetworks and remote locations. 1. Remember, remote probes are useful for distributing monitoring load and expanding your monitoring reach. Happy monitoring!